Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply to the Nordvpn affiliate program. First, open your browser and search for Nordvpn affiliates. Click the official link and you will land on their affiliate program page. There you will see all the details about how the program works. To apply, click the button that says Join the program. Fill in the registration form with your name, email, company or website details, and payment information. Once you submit your application, the Nordvpn team will review it. If approved, you will get access to your affiliate dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can find links, banners, and other promotional materials. Nordvpn has one of the highest commission rates in the VPN industry. For a 1-month plan, you earn 100% commission on the first sign-up and 30% on renewals. For 1-year and 2-year plans, you get 40% for new signups and 30% on renewals. That is how you apply to the Nordvpn affiliate program. Thanks for watching.